Hey my friend, welcome to BitZone. My name is Justin Temple and you're looking for the best Bitcoin trading strategy. Well, welcome. This is the best video you could have landed on. You're about to learn how to trade, no matter if you're an expert or you're looking to get into day trading. If you're an expert, what I'm about to show you will actually make your life a lot easier. And if you're brand new to day trading, or you have very little experience, or you're just like wanting to get into day trading, you're about to have your eyes open to how simple it really is and how you can actually start making money from home. And this is a no joke, no fluff video. I'm not going to hold anything back. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know, and if you decide to implement this strategy, then just reach out to me, okay? Because there's some tools in here that you need, and I'll show you how to get a hold of them, okay? So first of all, what you're gonna do is I just recommend having a TradingView account just to have one, okay? I like the full view and all the options that you're allowed to use. And then let me just slide this over here. So here is the actual tool that I use to trade, okay? So this is my trading bot, okay? And so what I want to explain to you before we get into this is that within my membership, there's 3 bots, okay? There's 3 different kinds of robots. What we're about to talk about right now is the hybrid robot. The hybrid robot is a robot that it's self-explanatory. It means that a human is able to partake in the transaction, and the robot is able to partake in a transaction, and everyone wins. Okay, so we're working together to make our lives easier, or make humans' lives easier. So, and then the other 2 bots, they're completely automatic. So the HPSI bot is a bot that works very well in a bullish market, and it trades 15 coins or more at one time. And then the win-win bot will actually micro trade Bitcoin, and it's got some different programming, so it's actually a lot more intelligent, and the membership, like there is you pay for it, so but it's not that expensive. So in terms of like how much you can trade and the potential that is really here. So let's get into, so those are the different bots. This is the hybrid bot, okay? So now there's a lot more information that we can cover about the different bots, how they work, what kinds of coins they can trade, stuff like that. But we're just going to talk about the hybrid bot right now. If you want more information, just reach out to me or visit justinleeontemple.com. You'll see this website right here, and just follow the process and follow the steps, and you'll be able to reach out to me. You'll have my email, my phone number, everything like that. And then also real quick, if you want to learn how to day trade, I have a free cryptouniversity.com website where you can learn how I day trade. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to just make money day trading without knowing a whole lot, of technical terminology, without knowing really much at all. Okay, so here's how simple it is. I'm just going to show you right now, and I just hope it makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, let me know in the comments below if you have questions, but it's pretty much going to make sense. Like it's not trigonometry. So let's get into this. So first, you choose your account, or you choose your exchange. You got Bittrex, Binance, OKEx, HitBTC, Kraken, Bitstamp, and then Bitfinex. You beforehand, you'll be dealing with your API key. It's very simple to set this up, and there's tutorial videos. Then you select what coin you want. right? We're just going to trade some Ethereum, and then what you're going to do, let me redo it, Ethereum. I'm going to trade some Ethereum, and then I'm going to redo these lines so that you know how to do them. MOV, moving average exponential, click here, 34 blue, 13 pink. Okay, that's how you do your lines. Alright, and then you're also going to want to do RSI. Okay, so first of all, you're going to learn, if you visit freecryptouniversity.com and you get your free training, you're going to learn how to read this very well. Okay, I'm going to be like going in depth in it for like over an hour of reading charts, which I'm not going to do right now. But I'm going to go over very simply how to make money. Okay, so let's go back here. And sometimes, you know, this tool doesn't load the whole time span of the coin. It'll just load a lot of the recent. Even still, this is like 2 months worth. So I mean, it's a lot of data, but that's another reason why I like to have a full trading view account. But so here's how simple it is. So let's go back to August 14th or whatever. So here's how to, so first of all, what you need to know is when to buy at the right time. Okay? And that's all you need to know. Because down here there's a stop profit percent, and you can literally have any trade that you put in for whatever coin you choose to be sold for you. It's a hybrid bot, which means the robot will help you sell it at whatever price you want, at whatever percent you want. It's a stop profit percent. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, yeah, we can, I mean, technically you could buy it any time, set your stop profit percent at 3%, and enough time will go by and the market will recover, and yeah, it will sell. But you want to make money now. You want to make a lot of money, and you want to be the best, or you want to at least be pretty good, right? So what you do, here's exactly what you do. Here's how you make a lot of money day trading. First of all, you get this tool. Okay, you need to visit justinleeontemple.com, get and follow the steps and get in contact with me. Get your tool, okay, and then you'll log in. You'll click this. You'll click Binance. You'll click your API key, which you'll have set up. You'll click your coin. You'll adjust your indicators like I just showed you. And so now every day when you choose to log in, you can wake up every morning, you can log in every night and do this. You can do it on your lunch break. You can do it whenever you want. But every day, what you're going to do is you're just going to look at these pink and blue lines, and you're going to wait for them to drop. And then you're going to wait for this to drop below the dashed lines right here. So let's just say let's say this is live. Okay? So we're going to, okay, pink below blue, right? Okay, then we also want a big pink below blue separation, like that. Okay, and then you see how the RSI is below the dashed line, so you would want to buy right here. RSI below the dashed lines, buy right here. Below, buy again. Below, buy again. Okay, so we just we just bought right here. That's how easy it is. Like, I know I'm just doing it real fast, but anytime you just see this below the dash line, just buy it. And if you have lower capital, what you want to do is wait for a triple drop. Like, a triple drop is like you see it swoop down, like woo. So this is one. This is not one, not really. I mean, like, it like really drops, like it's like a cliff, like 1, 2, 3. So that's the triple drop. You would buy one right here. So instead of just buying right here, if you have low capital, that would be the second dip. You would wait for the third. 1, 2, 3. So now you're making a better decision with lower capital. So if you just have the money for one trade and you buy right here, you know, you have all this room to sell, right? So but okay, so let's say you have a reasonable amount of capital, and now I go more in depth into this in the freecryptouniversity.com. But if you have more capital, just buy every time the RSI is below the dash lines and the pink is below the blue. And every time that happens, you buy. And then so here's what happens. So like, let's say I want to buy right here on this first RSI drop. So let's say the price is 0.58679. So I'm gonna wait for it to drop to 7.6, and then stop loss percent. What this means is that if I buy right now and the market drops 100%, I want to sell this trade and cut my losses. If I set this to 1%, it means that when I buy, I'm not giving my trade the chance to go up. Because if it drops, let's say there's a few days of down, and I buy right here, and it drops 1%, it will sell it before it has the opportunity to make money right here. Does that make sense? So you're not going to want to set everything to 1% and be like, oh, I'm not going to lose any money if I just do everything at 1%, because if it just drops a little bit, it'll sell everything right away. Well, that's not true, because if you lose 1% on $100 3 times a day, you're losing $3 a day, and you're never giving your money or your trade the chance to recover. So it's actually like if you bought at 19,000 back when it was at its highest point, like you should actually hold that, like you should actually be selling that amount that you bought at like 20,500. Like like you should be waiting for the market to recover. So everything is just a little recovery. Like, see this big drop? Here's the recovery, right? So this big drop right here, there's going to be a recovery, right? So drop, recovery, drop, recovery. Everything's the same. But if you just look at the RSI, you'll be able to trade it very easily, as you can see. So, okay, so we put in our price. Where was that? That was, remove myself. I think that was right here. Yeah, I think it was like right here somewhere. So what you want is to set it to 100% so that you give your trade time. Alright? You don't want it to drop 20%. Like, you don't want to buy right here and then you're like, let's say you have one amount, let's say you only have the capital to trade one trade. Well, you don't want to buy right here, have it drop 15%, you lose money, and then it raises 40%. Like, so you want to set it to 100%, and then so what this means is if this happens, if it drops 100% and it sells, I'll have this much Bitcoin left over. So it's kind of like a agreement. Like, it's just letting you know everything that's going to happen. And obviously you know that, like, but at the same time they're just reiterating it, and you can't really adjust this, I don't think. Like, oh, that's weird. Oh, that means I'm changing this. Alright, so it automatically changes this when I change that. So when I put 100, it'll populate that. Okay. So these are basically the same, just different. Like, watch, if I change this, it'll change that, see? So they're basically the same thing, just different ways of saying it so that you know what it's talking about. And then you choose how much to invest, right? So I want to buy this much Ethereum, right? We're trading Ethereum. And then, okay, so let's say we're going to buy on the first RSI drop, all right? On the first RSI drop, what you're going to do is this. Then you're going to set it to 3%. You're going to click Add Hybrid. When you click Add Hybrid, you're done. And I'll do that in a second, and it's actually not going to work because all my Bitcoin is working within those other two bots that I mentioned earlier. I have a lot of automatic trading going on for me. However, you know, when I do click this, it will go to the next page, and then I'll have to cancel the order because it won't even work anyways, because I don't have the Bitcoin to buy, right? All my Bitcoin in Binance is being used to trade in my bots. But right now, for this video, like, it's very simple to show you how to do it. So BTC to invest. So you put your stop profit percent right there at 3%. So your first buy, you put it 3%. Okay? First buy 3%. It drops, the RSI drops below again. You set your second buy. So we're going to set our second buy 47839. So here's our price. We're going to set it right here. We're going to have this, and then we're going to buy another 0.01. And then on this one, we're going to set it to 5%, okay? Because it's lower. So then we're going to move on. We're going to wait. And then we have another RSI drop below that one, see? Right? Well, this is below this, and then this is below this. So what we're going to do is we're going to set another buy at 42666, and then you want to buy below, so we'll just do 5. And then BTC to invest, we'll do another 0.01, and then you want to set this one at 7, right? And then if it drops again, so here's another drop, right? You got the RSI below. So when it drops this much, it's probably going to be a good snapback. So when you have a drop this big, you're going to set your buy 28769, and then buy just below, it's 100, 0.01, and then you're going to set this one to like 15%. Okay, and as you get better, you're gonna realize that you shouldn't buy here, you shouldn't buy here, but you should be buying here. Like most of your Bitcoin or coin, and then buy extra right here. Okay, but that's what you'll learn in freecryptouniversity.com. But like what I just taught you was how to stair step your profits up as the market drops. Okay, so like what I just taught you will also help you recover any trades that you made poorly. Okay, if you buy right here and you're like, oh, well, dang it, maybe I should just wait a while for the market to do something, and then you buy right here. Well, guess what? Like even though this is way up here, you can sell it eventually. Everything can be sold eventually, hopefully. But this buy down here has a good margin. So that's it really. I hope you understand it. At least that you can comprehend what's going on here. It's very simple. You just connect your Binance exchange. You just choose your API. You choose your coin. You set up your indicators how you want them, or how I teach you. Very easy to do it the way I teach you. And then you just choose when what price you want to buy at. You got your ability to let your trade go on. This is the same thing as this, as we've gone over. If this trade executes at a stop loss, this is what you'll end up with. However, that's very unlikely. And then BTC to invest 0.01. I can invest a whole Bitcoin if I want and buy 34 Ethereum. I can invest, the smallest amount is 0.005. Okay. And then you can literally have the bot sell it for you at whatever % profit you want. You could apply that strategy I just told you. Sell it at 3%, sell it at 3%, sell it at 5%, sell it at 7%, sell it at 15%. You could do that, or you could do 3%, 3%, 3%, 3%, 3%, and everything will end up selling right here, right? Instead of up here. So it doesn't matter what approach you take. What matters is that you just understand where you're able to start as far as capital. Okay? How much are you able to start trading? Can you buy a whole Bitcoin worth right here, and then another Bitcoin worth, and then another Bitcoin worth right here? Can you really spend $24,000 on this section of the market right here and then make a lot of money? Most likely not. Most likely you wouldn't do that anyways if you could. Unless you're making a lot of money, like a lot of money. But most people, they'll buy like half a Bitcoin worth of something, and then they'll spread it out with multiple coins. But hey, there's people that buy a lot of a whole Bitcoin, and then when it drops again a lot, they'll buy 2 Bitcoin worth, right? So now they just put 3 Bitcoin in. So now that double Bitcoin, that 2 Bitcoin, when it recovers, will actually push that first buy that may not have been as good into a more profitable buy. It's like overcompensating for it. So that's it, my friend. That's that's how to make money day trading. That's the best day trading strategy you could possibly ever use. And I hope you see how simple it is. There's not much to explain. Okay, so let me show you when I click add hybrid. Oh, I have to log in again. But there's really nothing to see. It just shows your order, and then it'll say, on mine, it'll say insufficient funds because everything's in my robots right here. I would have to add more Bitcoin to my Binance in order to add hybrid trades. But it's the same. Like it'll show your order right here just like it shows up in Binance or anything else. Or any other exchange. Well, this isn't an exchange, but you know what I mean. So that's it, my friend. Also, another thing, when you do decide to get this product, this tool, you do need to understand that there is a pro feature and a non-pro feature, and so you can buy the hybrid bot at the 500 level or the 2,000 level US dollars, and the 2,000 level will have that stop profit percent. The $500 level will have everything that the hybrid bot has that you saw without the stop profit percent. So if you really seriously want to trade easily, what you want is to get the pro membership, and that way you just wait for the market to be pink below blue, and you wait for those candle drops, and then you just buy and it sells for you, and you don't have to worry about anything. You just wake up every day. Where's the market? Is the pink line below the blue line? Is the RSI below the dashed line? No? Okay, well, continue with my day. Wake up tomorrow, check tomorrow. Is the RSI below the dashed line? Pink below blue? Yeah? Okay, then I want to buy today, and I want to set my order at 5% profit, and that's it. Like, if you have a job, wait till your next paycheck, dedicate, a certain percentage of your paycheck to day trading, and, just figure out how you want to, work your day trading career, because it can be done in many ways. It can be done at night, in the morning, at home, at Starbucks, at, whatever. It's very, versatile. But I just want you to know beforehand that that feature is not available in everything that you will be able to see, so, or that you'll be able to watch, and it'll be explained to you more in detail. But that's that. If you want to know more information about this product, if you want to know more information about the automatic bots, about the hybrid bot that we just talked about, if you want to know more information about how to be a part of my team, how to join our Facebook group and be a part of all the bonuses that are going on, be a part of the webinars, be a part of the team building, be a part of the binary team building. There's a lot of really cool things that are going on here. So if you want to know how to be a part of this, be a part of the team, then all you got to do is reach out to me or visit justinleontemple.com right here and follow the simple process that you'll be able to follow, and you'll find my phone number, my email, and you'll have the ability to contact me through there, or just sign up for my team right away. And then if you want to learn how to day trade for free, more in-depth knowledge about trading, how to use like TradingView more, and how to read this more and read this more, how to draw triangles, visit freecryptouniversity.com. And then this is the bot that you saw. But that's it. I appreciate you being here. That is the best Bitcoin trading strategy for any experienced person, really, because you don't have to worry about the selling. All you got to do is, follow the indicators that you're paying for, or whatever, whatever your team's doing with you. And then, if you're brand new, just follow what I taught you. Pink below blue, set up your lines how I taught you. RSI below the dash line, just follow what I taught you. And sell everything at 3% or 4%. But at least you're not buying way up high. Like, if you follow what I teach you, you're buying low. So you can set stuff at 5%, I would imagine. It just depends on how long you're willing to let the trade roll out. If you sell everything at 1%, obviously everything's going to happen faster. If you sell everything at 20%, obviously it's going to take some time, right? It's just common sense on a lot of this stuff. But make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and comment anything that you feel that you should share about this video. If you have suggestions, if you have ideas, if you have any questions about this tool, if you have any questions about my team, if you have any questions about whatever, reach out to me in the comments below. And I'd be more than happy to answer anything that you are wondering about. Again, my name's Justin. You're on BitZone, and I appreciate you, and I have been happy to make this video about best Bitcoin day trading. Best Bitcoin trading strategy for you. And I hope you can see how the dots connect. And I appreciate you, and I'll be talking to you soon. Make it a great day.